of our BRRRR properties. And today I am going back and starting at the beginning. So we're going to look at one of our very first BRRRR properties that we did. And let's go ahead and jump in. So we don't have a ton of video. Put together a quick slideshow to go over everything. This one is Benne Drive, and this one you can see we purchased it in pretty decent shape. So here's a couple pictures of the property to start with. It was a 3-bed, 1-bath property with a 1-car garage. So the garage pretty clean, the floors were in decent shape. There wasn't a ton of work to do. So here's what we did. We purchased it back in 2017. We paid $72,000 for the property. And again, we were just starting. We estimated about 45 days to complete the rehab and about 45 days to refinance. We didn't really know what we were doing. Our goal was just to rehab it and try to get most of our money back. So we estimated we were going to spend about $10,000. This is just to fix up some of the ceiling. The rooms in the house, some of the ceiling was kind of caving a little bit, like it was just falling in a little, so we had to pull some of that down and put up some new drywall and then paint everything. I don't have a lot of great pictures. I will go ahead and let's see if I can pull up a couple of our other pictures for you on that one. Let's see, 555 May. And again, we're just going back and trying to get these all figured out. So here's my original photos. Let's go ahead and share my Finder window. Alright, so we should see the pictures here. Let's go ahead and do a different view. So if we make these bigger, that's going to look pretty good. So this is Benne when we bought it. And again, we weren't doing a great job at the time documenting everything. Look at that. I even forgot about this little shed or outbuilding. Kind of a second garage back there. This one was cool because the garage, you could drive straight through it. Remembering it now. So look at, I mean, again, it's in pretty good shape at the time of purchase. I mean, really not a lot that was needed to be done. That flooring, again, was pretty used or worn, so I think we replaced some of that flooring as well. And again, you can see everything's in pretty good shape. A little bit dirty, so you can see around the tub, and we needed to scrape that caulk and get some new caulk in there, clean it up a little bit, things like that. But all in all, I mean, it was a great property when we bought it, and it's part of the reason why we decided to just start holding rentals. We were like, man, this is such a great deal. Let's go ahead and try to keep this one. Yeah, so see down in the basement, you can see we had some water issues that we had to deal with as well, so I think we ripped out some of that. And painted it, got it nice and clean, but again, a solid, newer HVAC system. You can see that condenser outside was in good shape as well. And that is a different property. So that was Benne, and let's jump back to our presentation here. Okay, so now we're back in this one. So again, there wasn't a lot to do, and we think we could get about $1,200 a month. So here was our plan when we bought it. We wanted to wholesale it. But then we just decided, hey, let's go ahead and start holding some rentals as a company. This is back 2017. Like I said, we didn't have a great plan. We just wanted to fix it up and see if we could get all of our money back. So let's see what we did. All right, so here are some of the images. Again, we scrolled through those. The results on this one, guys, is a really cool one. Our first one, really think we knocked it out of the park. We only spent $7,000 on the repairs, but we were able to rent this one out for $1,200 a month, and after the refinance, we were able to net, this is after we paid for the mortgage, the insurance, the taxes, the property management, etc., we're netting $459 per month. So we have an appraised value on this one of $125,000. That means equity capture of about $45,000 on this property. This is implementing the BRRRR strategy, guys. If you're interested to learn more, you can check out freelandlordcourse.com, or you can check out our book on Amazon, The BRRRR Method.